People have been asking me what's inside the Unibrau Brew System. So I've got a standard brew system here, and I'll show you what's inside. Got the grain basket lid, 5 feet of silicone tubing, the connection kit for the plate chiller. This is the standard connection kit. The brew controller. And inside the brew controller, we have the power cord, the sensor. I'm going to show you what it looks like. There's your sensor. Quite a long sensor cable with a tip. And the controller. This particular one, the standard system, ships with the ETC controller. The brewing element. It's pretty nice. Big 3 tabs for connecting it to the power cord for the brew element. We've got a power cord, plugs into the controller, this plugs into the element. The pump. This is our BR19 pump. You can see it there, the stainless pump head. And we've got our grain basket. Just going to put it on top here for now. Now our grain basket has quite a unique design. It's got a lip, so it sits on top of the brew kettle. Got a tri-clamp inlet. And this is for attaching a sparge arm or your Vorlauf connection. Vorlaufen when you're mashing. We've got perforations. You can see these perforations here. So this prevents spillovers and overflows. If you pump the liquid a little too quickly, you've got a little bit of protection there. Perforated bottom. Got silicone covered rests which sit on the retention ring. It's a piece of kit here. It's heavy, it's serious. And in the bottom, underneath the grain basket, we have our parts kit. I'll just dump it all out here, and I'll show you what's included. Tri-clamps. They're all made from 304 stainless steel. We have 7 tri-clamps. 7 gaskets, a 1/2-inch MPT fitting which attaches to the pump, a 1/2-inch FPT fitting. That's a 5/8 inch barb. Times 2, a 90 barb. A ball valve, a threaded ball valve, and a tri-clamp cap. Oh, and the retention screws. So these screw onto the retention ring. Inside the kettle, we have a plate chiller. There's our plate chiller. And our brew kettle. I'll take it out of the bag for you to see it a little more closely. So here we have the brew kettle. I'll just show you. You can see it has liter and gallon markings. It's got 3 ports on the bottom. Okay, there's 1 port. There's your other port. That's your 3rd port. And then we have the port at the top. Now that we can use to attach a steam condenser or other accessories if you were using this kettle for a different purpose other than the Unibrau system. And the grain basket just goes right inside. And I'll just show you the function of how it works. So when you're mashing the grain basket, it sits inside. And that's what it looks like when it's sitting on top of the kettle. You can drain. And that's your lid for the grain basket. If you want to know a little bit more about how to put it together, we've got another video. It's going to be in the description below. And that's it. That's what it looks like coming out of the box. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you've got an idea for us to make a different video, please include it in the comments below. If you like what you see, share it, subscribe, and like it.